Have you ever wanted to search for an item or product by using a picture or image? Have you ever wanted to purchase an item of clothing like that person on the show you just saw or in the magazine you just saw? With this brief tutorial, I will show you how to leverage the power of the Pinterest visual search engine to do just that. And stay tuned to the end. We'll have a bonus tip that will show you how to use this same function to find out which celebrity out there in the world you most resemble.
Have you ever wanted to search for an item or a person based on the picture that's on the screen? Well, Pinterest is a great option to do exactly that. You can actually bring up a picture and use the Pinterest search functions to actually find items that look very similar or exactly similar to the item you're targeting. I'm going to talk you through very quickly in this easy to follow tutorial how to do just that. There are a couple of steps to set up this feature. The first is you have to go to your Chrome web store. So if you go to any search engine and type Chrome web store, it's going to give you a link, and you go there, and it's basically chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extensions. But once in here, you're actually going to search for the Pinterest Save button. You'll see on my PC here I've already added it to there, but you would on yours just say add it to the Chrome extension. Once that's done, it'll take a couple of seconds to install, and you're pretty much ready to go. Once it is installed, what you will see is anytime you go into an active image on Pinterest, you'll have this save feature is now actively available. Now, how this search function works is that if you click on a picture and do it here, you will see that you actually have an option here to actually find other pictures that look very similar to the area you're targeting. Now, you can adjust the search window much like you would as if you were editing a photo to narrow your band so that you may be, in this case, instead of looking at the face, we're going to look at eyeglasses. And you'll start to see it gives you a very different perspective of the same individual. Alright, now for our bonus tip. If you want to use this function to find out what celebrity you do look like, all you have to do is go into any page, and in this case we picked Keanu Reeves, we search for him, and let's pick one of these photos. Let's say we pick this one. And much like I showed you there, your Pinterest function is now set up, so you can now click on this picture, and if this was you, you could see which celebrities did actually look like it. In this case, which celebrities look like Keanu Reeves. You've got Taylor, you've got a few other examples there of folks that do look like Keanu Reeves. So that is our bonus tip of if you wanted to go in and find out which celebrities you do look like, that would be exactly how you do that. It's actually quite a cool bonus tip. That is the main steps in the tutorial. You now know how to go in, and like you said, if you weren't looking for a specific person, but we're looking for an item or something to buy that was similar, in this case a guitar, it works the exact same way as it does there. So if I go back here, click on that, you can actually see how the guitars work. So that is a great function in Pinterest. It's called the Pinterest Visual Search, and as you can see, as you can narrow down, you can really define your search. And in this case, I'm going to go away from the guitar and take it down to the Marshall amp, and you can actually see how it redefines the search criteria right onto more computer-related equipment. So it's quite a cool feature. Play around with it. You'll be quite pleased with it. It's one of the new things that's taking off along with the voice search with Alexa and the other home products. But the visual search is also becoming very important, especially for shopping and retail shopping. It's starting to get augmented in there with augmented reality and a bunch of other features. So go ahead, try it out. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. And that is...
If you found this video helpful, I ask that you like and subscribe below. This is Duncan Gillis from Maritime Vintage saying good night, stay safe, and watch out for those Cape Breton mountain chickens. I can only dream of a project that